Yeah, I think the two biggest stories of this year have been tariffs and AI investment. And the AI investment is incredibly large. We hear about the headlines of the amount of the partnerships between the chip manufacturers and the hyperscalers. It's massive. This is a trillions of dollars of investment over lots of different sectors to build out. So I look at this as a bit of like a digital industrial revolution. That does have some risks to it. It's not guaranteed that all the benefits that are advertised actually come out. But when we look at the contribution to growth, it's been about 2/3 of the economic growth this year have come from AI-related investment spending. And so there's a part of the economy at like hyperspeed type of thing in the AI, and then there's the other one that's languishing over maybe the impact from tariffs. Mm-hmm. Now the question is, what does that mean for the coming year on that? Are we going to start to see further weakness in the area that we have that's weak right now in the consumer? Or are we just passing that through in the impact of tariffs? Now, when we think about AI, there's a macro component to this, which is what are the impact on growth, employment, productivity, inflation, even borrowing and real rates of interest for the amount of borrowing that goes into this. That's a big one for us as well. But the second is a lot of money is chasing after a new technology that is going to have huge impact on the economy. It doesn't necessarily mean that all that money spent will lead to an attractive return on investment. It's transforming the world today. It'll transform the world even further in the coming year or two, but that doesn't mean every investment there is going to pay off wonderfully. So a risk that we would look at, we think this is a tail risk because we look at the amount of money being spent now and in the coming year. But if there was a fall off in confidence, that was a pullback in the amount of investment in this space, that would leave the economy growing slower, certainly. It would probably bring down the stock market as well in terms of valuation, because the valuations are built on expectations of a good profit outlook from AI as well. But then again, as I said, we'd be left with an economy that's not growing as quickly, being as sort of supportive. And so it's something we are keeping a very close eye on, driving the macro, but also driving the micro.